Hello guys, I finally got my Aqua Boss and now let's see what is inside.
Okay, before I open it, I have to tell you this is really light, so you can take it everywhere with you. So now let's see what's inside. First, the material, it's so good and trust me, it's not gonna fade under the sun. So this amazing pink color is gonna stay forever. And then we have the most important thing, it's not gonna be wet and you can use your phone safely. Then, of course, we have for your drink, and let's see how this looks when you open it fully. Super easy. You just grab here the end and you can blow it. It's gonna take you just a few seconds, honestly. And you have one pillow, and after you can do the other side and grab your drink, grab your phone and enjoy summer.